Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to make your designs pop? I'll show you how to add awesome animations in Canva. First, open Canva and then click the Create button. Select the videos you want to use, making sure they're in landscape orientation for the best viewing experience. Next, select the element you want to work with. Click the search bar and type your keywords to find videos. Click on the video, then select this option to proceed to the next step. Reduce the duration by entering a lower time value. To remove the background from an image, first select the element within your design. Once the element is selected, look for the background removal option in your editing toolbar. Click the Remove Background button, and the software will automatically detect and erase the background around your chosen element. After the process is complete, review the result to ensure the background has been completely removed. If needed, use the Refine or Restore tools to adjust any remaining background areas. Finally, attach your edited element onto a new or existing background as desired. To remove the background from this image, start by selecting the picture you want to edit. Next, open the Remover tool from the menu. Upload or drag your image into the tool's workspace. Once your image is loaded, click the Remove Background button. The background will disappear automatically. You can now download or export your image with a transparent background. To duplicate the selected object, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This creates an exact copy of the item. Use this shortcut to quickly make duplicates without having to manually copy and paste. Move to the side panel and locate the playback controls. Select the section you want to play by clicking on it. Then, click the play button to preview your selection. Listen carefully to review your changes. If you need to make any adjustments, pause the playback and make edits as needed. Once satisfied, replay the selection to confirm everything sounds correct. Using the play feature helps ensure your work meets your expectations before moving on to the next step. Next, add another item by clicking the plus icon in the designated area. Adjust its placement as needed, making sure it appears alongside your existing items. Repeat this step to add another item in the required section. In this example, we're not going to make many changes or adjustments to this second item. You can leave its settings at the default values for now. Continue to review your layout to confirm that your new items have been added correctly and appear as intended. Duplicate this object by selecting it, then choosing the duplicate option. Place the duplicated object in the desired position, as shown here. Now, focus on the second object you've just created. Click to select it, then drag it to move it to a new location on the canvas. Adjust its placement as needed to fit your layout. By duplicating and repositioning the object, you can create multiple instances and organize them effectively. Repeat these steps for any additional duplicates you require. Select March from the list. Next, choose the Move option to adjust the movement settings. Increase the duration slider to make the action last longer. Once you've set your preferred duration, locate and click the play button to preview the effect. Observe how the animation now runs for a longer time. You can continue adjusting the duration and replaying the animation until you're happy with the result. Click the Share button, then select Download. To increase the video quality, choose to save it as an MP4 file. Finally, click Download again to save your video. You've got the basics of Canva animations down! If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe for more handy design tips.